often went to their neighbor's garden to steal some vegetables. One day, the father took his son and to steal some carrots in their neighbor's garden. While the father pulled out some carrots, his son stood beside him and whispered, "Daddy, someone is looking at us." And the father was shocked. What his son said. Where? Who? He asked. And his son replied, "There, Daddy, the moon is the moon. The moon is looking at us." The father was shocked. What his son said. He thought that no one could see what he was doing at night, and the sun was made him feel sad, made him feel ashamed, and he drew all the carrots down and took his son by hand and walked back home. In the moonlight. After that, he never stole again. If we steal, people will know. No stealing. If no one wants to be a person who was stolen, because everyone loves their things. Thank you.